trip to Rhine Falls with Zyra and Audrey.
No.
Oh.
Yeah, again.
Hi.
Hi.
Bye.
Bye.
2 minutes in, I'm already out of breath. There's a rainbow! And there's just casually a boat just floating into the rainbow. Waterfall? Is it really a fall though? That's what I want to know. What do you think, Zara?
It's like a water park.
A water park? Close enough. Wait, I lost it. Oh my god, just casually freaking sailing into a waterfall. At the top of the mountain. Cute Audrey. Oh, bye-bye!
Just be happy.